To check the anode rod in a water heater, turn off the water going to the water heater. Turn off the gas or electric to the water heater. Open the hot side of a faucet and keep it open. Drain a couple of gallons of water from the tank so the water level is just below the top of the tank. Use a 1 1/16 inch socket and unscrew the anode rod. If it doesn't turn easily, you can slide a metal pipe over the socket handle for more leverage, or you can use an impact driver. Have someone hold the tank if it moves while unscrewing the anode rod. Lift the anode rod out of the tank. Most anode rods are 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch in diameter when they're new. If there's very little material left, replace the anode rod. This one still has plenty of material left. If there's just a thin metal wire like the one on the left, you need a new anode rod to protect your water heater from corrosion and mineral buildup. To replace the anode rod, wrap plumber's PTFE tape 3 to 5 times clockwise around the male thread. Tighten down the anode rod with a socket wrench. Turn on the water to the tank and wait until the water is flowing out of the hot side of the open faucet to be sure all the air is out of the tank. Check the anode rod every couple of years or as recommended by the manufacturer. Turn on the gas or electric to the water heater.